This will be the first time I've put power to this thing since I've torn it apart. So battery connected, nothing's on. And then we push the push to start. Turns on your accessories. And then, so that would be accessory mode, on. The switchboard works too. This is my fan is hooked up to this. The fans are running. Headlight switch. Headlights are on. I've got the belt disconnected so I can test to make sure it actually starts when I push the push to start. And yes, my steering wheel does just slide into place there. Bam. And finally the cleanup and the final mounting place for the start.